Yes, the people, welcome back to another accommodation vlog. So right now I'm in one of the central hubs of Imperial accommodation, and this is what we call the Prince's Gardens. And the reason being is that you're in basically a quadrangle, so you've got buildings or accommodation buildings on all sides, south side, east side, all surrounding this lovely, beautiful, almost garden space park, almost like a mini central park, you can sort of say. Very, very nice area, and this is actually in South Kensington, so this is very, very close to obviously your lectures. Literally, I think you can wake up here, go to your lectures in 3-4 minutes. That is, trust me, tried and tested. You've also got a lot of amenities around this other than accommodation. So you've got things like a dentist, a GP, you've also got an off license, and you've also got an East Side bar as well. Everything's sort of here, very, very close to the South Kent campus, and also the other major South Kent accommodation called Byte Hall, which is actually where I was at. The beauty of this accommodation is that this is more serene, it's more calm, and it is really, really lovely, lovely views, especially if you're lucky enough to get what I like to call Central Park views, baby. So, just waiting for the elevator now, just got past security. Usually you get given an ID access card to access your room and hall. Anyway, just going into the elevator, and I believe we're going to floor 3. So, as we walk out, you have the stairs on your left-hand side. However, I'm very much the type of guy that likes to go for the elevator over the stairs. Anyway, as you go into the hallway, it's sort of a long, narrow hallway with accommodation both sides, and you get a kitchen right at the end.
I don't want to see a rap carny. 488 in a party. LBC, how I nicked the Ferrari.
Hello MTV, welcome to my crib. Let's go. Alright, so what we got is a standard single ensuite at East Side Halls of Residence at Imperial College London, more specifically Gabba Hall. Now the great thing is most of the rooms look like this, right? So you get a good feel of what it's like, what's the space like, what are the amenities like in the room, what is it that you're going to be really living in when you come to Imperial. So walk with me. So right here we've got a cupboard, and this is a lovely full-size cupboard. And you've got, you know, up storage there, some cabinetry. If you want to hang your suits and ties, bang it in there. Some drawers down there, and of course, the lovely full-length mirror to see how we're doing in the morning. Now come walk with me to the main attraction. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, and we've got an absolute banger of a single bed. Ooh, you know, you get used to it, you know, a little more comfy in there. Duvet does not come with it. I've actually added this for aesthetic reasons, to keep, I want to keep the room nice and furnished for you lot. So you can get a really good homely vibe of what's the room like when you make it your own. And if you come and walk with me further in here, and I'll just point you over to here, so you've got some more storage spaces. So whatever you want to store there, whether it's trophies, whatever you've got to store, you can put it all in there, just almost too much storage. Lovely full-size desk here for all that hard work that you're going to be doing here at Imperial College London. Lovely comfy chair. Do we just sit on that? Ooh, that is comfy, and I believe you can. Oh, that's the setting I prefer, a little laid back. But let me take you to the main attraction. And that is Central Park views, baby. Let me show you this. So obviously, the door does not open all the way because, you know, you don't want people jumping out. Like, I have to say it. So it does not open all the way for safety reasons. But let me try and get you a good view. It does open a little bit, so you do get that fresh air breeze. You almost get that al fresco dining if you want to sit on your dining table here and eat. And you get that lovely fresh air. And especially in the summer, it's great. So long as you do not have hay fever, because otherwise you'll bring bare pollens in your room and you'll be sneezing. But just like the owner of this room. But let me just show you the view right here. Now, let me take you over to what I like to call the bathroom, the ensuite. You know, really what you're paying the big bucks for. And how much is this room, cameraman?
Around 200.
It's just around 200. You can see the cameraman here is just big baller. He doesn't even know how much it costs him. But around 200 a week, you get yourself a nice lovely room with a view. Although, you know, terms and conditions here, the view is not guaranteed. It's pure luck as to what room you get. So you may be unlucky, you may get a shitter view across the road. No offense if they can hear me, but the better view is this side, obviously Central Park views, as I say. So let's go into the bathroom now. I'll take it from here. So we've got toilet, sink with a mirror, and a lovely shower in here. I'm just gonna jump in because I always love to jump in the shower. You know, get nice and close on this channel. So I'm in the shower now, and yeah, lovely what I'm about. Yeah, the shower head's above me. Nice bit of space. It is a bit claustrophobic, I won't lie. Like, I like to move around a little bit, but the acoustics are great. So if you would love to sing in the shower, this is ideal for you. And from what I hear, the water pressure is very, very good. You know, it's so good that I might just have to. Shit, I'm putting the shower on. I'm getting wet, but the water pressure is good. Oh man, I'm getting soaked. Oh man. Okay. The water pressure is lovely. Look at that. I'm dripping, mate, I'm dripping. But water pressure lovely, bathroom's lovely, and East Side halls for you, baby. So that's 2 and 2 I've done, what do we did Woodward. So now we've got East Side, and the thing is, East Side, South Side, it all looks the same. Arms are dripping wet, but that's what we do for you on this channel. Lovely view here, right there, you know.
You've been telling people to have a look outside your window, but there is a day nursery, so it's just for the kids most of the time.
Okay, so yes, there is a little bit of a nursery, but so, you know, that brings together the tour of the bedroom and to the kitchen. Sky TV?
No.
Huh? We have that and bite. So yeah, nice dining table here. Lovely view, nice bridge views. Everyone gets their own individual cupboard, I believe. And you've got obviously top of the line appliances, microwave, fridge, freezer, oven, and yeah, some more storage spaces. You've got these hobs here, and I think with these hobs, right, you have to switch it on to get I believe it's a gas cooker, and then yeah, obviously make sure you switch that off. You don't want any fires going. Obviously extractor fans up there for plug sockets. Nice sink, very liquid. Make sure you do the washing up, and yeah, drying rack. So that's it. Couple bins. Make sure you recycle, save the planet, save the plastic. How yourself, enjoying it?
Well, I've got a hot girlfriend, so yeah, I can't
That is the South Kensington East Side Halls tour. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and peace.